Okay, in this video I would like to share about how to make curve shape door with window glass. Okay, first of all you have to make a rectangle in this position. You can set any size of the rectangle, and then you have to push it up with appropriate or proper dimension anyway. And you can use tape measure tool at around 3000 millimeter for the width, and then you can set the height around maybe 2400 millimeter, and the arc shape you can set the 1500 millimeter, and then you can select 2-point arc to make arc shape of this door, and then you can select a segment with a 100 side in arc. Okay, then you can select a line tool, just move it down, so you get the basic shape of this door window with arc shape. And then you can erase some unnecessary guideline of this, so you will get it. Then you have to offset it inside, maybe it's around 60 millimeter, yes, 50 millimeter only. Then you can complete the line, complete the basic pattern of the door. Then you can push it to the front 120 millimeter of the width. Then you have to make it group, and after that you have to make a rectangle like this, and you have to push it on the right side anyway. Then you have to make it group. Okay, and after that you can divide, and anyway you have to make it a little bit smaller than before. Okay, then you can make rectangle. Anyway, you can make rectangle in this area, and you can push it to the front again 120 millimeter. Just make it group, and now you can make it component. Just create it, and then you can move and just press Ctrl it, select the destination, destination, and then you can type maybe / and just press enter, or you can repeat about the count of the stick of the frame. You can select the 3 slice and just press enter, so you can get the frame. Then you can move it to the back side, and you can move it. Then you can push it to the upper position. You can move it to the upper position, something like this. Then you can make a bottom frame of this window, and you can adjust the frame with a push or pull. You can use move, and you can make a door. You can make a door lift anyway. Then you can offset it inside around 80 millimeter, right? And then you can just erase it, and then just push it to back, and 40 millimeter for the width. Okay, then you can make it group. Okay, and after that you can make a glass. You can make a small frame in this door, and just push it to the right side, then just make it group, and just make it component. Just create it, and then just move and press Ctrl it, and type 8 / millimeter. Then you can rotate it until 90 degree, and then you can move it and just make it unique. Then you can adjust the divider. Maybe you can adjust with this position and this position anyway. Okay, and after that you can duplicate it. You can duplicate this frame to the right side anyway. Maybe you can duplicate to the right side. You can select this horizontal line only, then you can select the scale, and then you can move it. You can slide it to the correct position. Okay, you can use scale. Okay, and you can make it group anyway. You can make it group and just move and press Ctrl to move to the left side anyway. Then, and after that you can make a glass with this arc and line. Okay, then you can just edit and copy it, and then you can edit and paste in place. Then you can move on the front side, and then you can just push it to the front and make it group. And you have to make a glass material right here, and then you can move it to the back. Okay, you move it to the back, and then you can adjust the hole with a rectangle and just push it until it clear, and then you can just select the side and you can adjust it again, and just select the side and you can adjust it again. You can select the side and just adjust it again. And for this top position of the window, you can adjust it by yourself adjustment anyway. Then this is I will have to make a color of the frame anyway, something like this. You can assign a material, but you have to select it all and just assign a material for it. Then you can delete unnecessary object. Then you can scale it up and scale. Okay, and then you can add more glass of this window anyway. Then you can make a thickness and then just make it group and just assign a material, right? And don't forget to check it again about the all over material. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you get a lot of benefit of this.